For example, your project has many objects of the same type. You may want them to have the same animation effects or formatting style. It will take a lot of time to add one by one. Don't worry, ActivePresenter allows you to style multiple objects in a second. You can select all of them to change their style simultaneously. However, this way only applies to the objects of the same slide. If you want to style multiple objects of all slides in your project, style one object first. Then, right-click it, Apply to all text entry objects, select Style. Now, you can see that all text entry objects of all slides have the same style. To add animation to multiple objects, do the same steps. For example, I will add animation to one freeform line. Then, apply to all. After styling a text entry, you can set its style as default for all newly added text entries. To do that, right-click it, select Set as Default Text Entry. Let's add one more text entry as normal. From now, every text entry added will inherit all properties of the default object you've set. Or you can use another way, which is the Object Settings feature. See how to use Object Settings video for details. That's it.